My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware called Onyx. Onyx is the ransomware that affects the majority of file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. So you have just seen that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open the files without any problems. Unfortunately, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this particular ransomware called Onyx may be easily injected into the device. Then pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. This is because the ransomware actually encrypts all the files that the customers store on their hard drives. This Onyx ransomware encrypts these files in order to force the victims into paying the ransom for file restoration. Whenever you try to open the specific file, you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file. And by the way, this particular extension that is added by the ransomware is random. In my case, it says something ampkcz, but in some other cases, the extension is totally different, so the extension is random. The ransomware called Onyx says that the victims need to pay the ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom, of course, is not a good solution because this does not guarantee that the files would be restored. In fact, we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom because you may simply lose your money for nothing. What we recommend you to do is to carefully check the task manager. Sometimes you might find some suspicious processes that could be running in the background and related to this particular ransomware. So it's a good idea that you terminate them to stop the further file encryption. Speaking about removing this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the application and start researching and investigating your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. You will need to click on this special button called Start Scan, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner works exceptionally well when it comes to detecting and deleting the majority of threats, including adware, ransomware, malware, and so on. So click on Start Scan button. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and definitely this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner Antivirus has been successfully updated, the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats at the end of the scanning. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats and the name of these threats. Pay attention to the feature called Anti-Ransomware in Combo Cleaner. This feature is the part of the premium license, and it is exceptionally helpful to protect your data, your folders, and the contents in these folders from being damaged by any ransomware type threats. But this feature again is the part of the premium license only. At the end of the scan, as I said, you'll see the summary of threats. You may remove some threats manually, but we do recommend upgrading to premium to delete all of them automatically and to protect your data from being damaged in the future.